Local news for Monday the 13th of May. A Lifekeepers for Māori workshop for suicide prevention is being held in Masterton tomorrow. The aim of the free workshop is to empower Māori and communities and to create communities of care and support whānau and friends who may be at risk of suicide. The Waihinga Bridge has advised, or NZTA have advised rather, the Waihinga Bridge will be under stop-go requirements for the entire week in order to remove scaffolding that has been placed on the bridge. Chlorination will begin tonight for the Martinborough Town water supply. A decision on the permanent chlorination of the Martinborough water supply has yet to be made. The decision will be made based on the results of further investigations and discussions between the likes of Regional Public Health and Wellington Water. And in sport and Premier Rugby for the weekend, Carterton thumped Master Red Star 79-0, Gladstone pipped Greytown 26-25, Eketahuna beat East Coast and Martinborough beat Marist. Eketahuna are now clear at the top of the table by 2 points.